What's going on, everybody, and happy Wally Wednesday. It's Alex from Wallison Real Estate Investments, and we're checking in on 19 Suffolk Street. The boys are just about wrapping up with our brick facade. We've got all of our hardy plank siding here on site. So as soon as they're done, the boys are gonna throw up the scaffolding, and we should see this building wrapped, and the exterior should be pretty much 100% complete, excluding some final doors, in 10 to 14 days. So this is gonna look very pretty, very sexy soon. We're wrapping up all of our rough inspections inside. The boys have just finished insulating the basement, our crawl space area, and then as we get through those final inspections, or excuse me, rough inspections, we'll be able to insulate, close up these walls, and then we'll be on to the fun parts, the sexy parts, the exciting stuff. So, and another update to come soon. Okay guys, now we're in the basement of 49 Georgia Street. If you remember last time we were here, we were in our sequencing of underpinning. So that's where we're extending the foundation lower into the ground. We've made it through that part, we've inspected it, and now we've actually excavated the basement. So as you can see, it is much taller now. We've laid some new concrete for our new lally columns, the new support. What's holding us up right now from being able to do the framing component of our project is we are having a hard time getting our excavation crew out. They're super busy, they do great work. That's the thing with good contractors, they're never out of work. So we're working to get on the schedule. We also just got our building permit approved. That took a long time over at 43 Georgia Street. So when the excavation crew is out here, they are going to bump out our foundation on the front of this building for a new bay window that we'll install, and then they're actually going to do all of the site work and utility connections next door in the same suite. So that'll be really cool to see. Very similar process and project that we saw over at 95 West Walnut from our Better Builders episode, but that's where we're at Georgia Street. So fingers crossed we'll get the excavation team out here shortly, and you'll see this building really start to pick up the pace again after that. Framing crew is locked and loaded, ready to go, waiting on us. So cheers, we'll give you another update soon. Thanks for checking out our projects, and give us a like, a comment, subscribe, share it with your mother. Peace.